All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us this interactive motion cat toy. As you can see from the box, kind of looks like a mouse. It would move across the floor, and your cat's gonna, of course, try to get that mouse. Smart operation, rechargeable battery, safe material, and colorful blinking tail. Nothing there. Interactive cat toy, and then it works on carpet and grassland, not just for indoors. So let's cut this seal and open it up. And hello. Wow, it's really small. Oh, cool. So that's the tail, little micro USB port for charging. There's also, that's it for the box, besides this micro USB cable to charge it. And then, of course, a nice little instruction guide, tell you everything else. So the switch is on the front here. This is how you would cut it on and off. You just press it in, and now it's ready to go. Wow. That's pretty cool. That will essentially do it for this interactive cat toy. Very small, very nice, perfect for any cat. Thanks again to this company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.